charger before me, and you can see the difference in the panel. One is more durable than one. This one is more durable. This one is a harder material, as you can see. And this one, if you look carefully, you can see where there's a bump right there. There's a bump right here, right? So with that being said, this one is more durable than this brand, and both of them have the same lights. This one will show you the notification light when it is being charged in the sun. As you can see, the green light is on. For this model, there is no light that is showing. I'm not too sure if this one is a defective one, but it is charging via the panel. The reality about this solar charger, is it worth the hype? Charger will take 15 hours to charge 5% of the battery by the solar, right? And this is what I'm saying, guys. If it's gonna take that long to get 10%, 30 hours to get only 10% charge from the sun, we need something that can charge faster. So from my perspective, the panel is a helpful thing to keep topping up your battery little by little, but it's gonna take a very long time to recharge the entire battery for these solar charger. It would definitely take days. So before you go into even getting one, just making this video to notify you, I was informed by the manufacturer that it takes about 15 hours to charge about 5%. So you can do the maths, right? Other than that, they work perfectly. They can charge two phones at the same time, and also you can charge them by the electricity using your computer or your wall charger. From my experience, these can take possibly up to 6 to 7 hours using a computer. It can take 4 to 5 hours to fully charge this on a dead battery. So there you have it. I'm just giving you some update. They also have the 10,000 mAh version, and also 20,000 and 30,000. And what I'm saying here seems to apply to all of them. I'm hoping that they will make a new solar charger that can be charged by the sun and charge very fast by the panel. But I do believe that they make it in such a way that even though it is charging from the sun, you can't get shock by touching the panel at all. You can't. So they make them also in a way to be protective, and also they make them to be shock proof, waterproof, dust proof. So there you have it. But what we need something that can charge faster in the sun. So let's hope that something happen to drop on the market so that we can test it. I'm Lens, and I'm out. Subscribe for more tech videos.